Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create campaigns in Instagram ads. Let's start! So Instagram nowadays is not only being used for socials, like you're posting photos, sharing photos, or just basically use it for personal use. Nowadays, it has also become popular and widely used for business reasons. So there's a lot of business owners out there or influencers that are really monetizing their Instagram account. So today, I'm going to show you using one example here for a food business wherein they deliver or they basically sell food. First thing that you need to do is change your account from personal account to business account or to professional account. And if you want to learn more about Instagram, you could always subscribe to our channel so you can learn more from our tutorials. So from here, you can just tap or click the heart icon just at the bottom of the page because it would lead you to ads page of your Instagram account. Once you're there on the ad tools, you can select, which post that you want to create a campaign for. So in this case, say for example, I'm just gonna pick one Samtu's photo here, and then I will hit on next. And from here, you could select what kind of campaign that you'd like to have. If you would like to have more profile visits, website visits, or more messages. So say, for instance, I would just like to, send awareness that, they could see my post, my photo. And then I could actually define my audience. And we have a different tutorial for that. But in this case, I just have it default for automatic. And then from here, I could actually put a budget as well on how much I'm going to spend in terms of this campaign. And then from here, there's a way for me to review or preview ad rather, wherein I could see how it would look like. So this is how your campaign would look like, guys, wherein it has the name of the Instagram account and then it says sponsored. And then this would be posted or published to everyone's news feed. So that's it. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.